Hope you've been a good boy for Mummy.
Yes, Dad.
How was your Rotary Club meeting today?
Fine. It's cold. It's got no taste.
I work all day to come home to this! Oh, shut up! The dog eats better than this! The dog eats better than this! Get up! Get up! Get up! How many times have I told you to clean up this mess? You're useless!
Stop, please!
Don't even do it!